In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make timer on Canva. So if you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. First, you can see I open Canva on my PC. So now just click on element. Here is the two type of timer you are able to add. One video. First one is example purpose. Okay, I input a video first or image first. You can do any one photos. Okay, example purpose, this photo I import from this free library on this one. Okay, that's good. Now here are the things. You know, to just click or select this image. Now you need to just click on this button is timer. Just click here, so you can see here the 5 minute already added. So if you want to add a specific time like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, any of you, whatever you want, just plus per us. Here is lots of things you can do it on. And if you want to add minute, just doing and manually type. This is 10 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay, then if you want to just play, okay, you can see this is already minus cutting, so you can doing on here on a video frame. Now if you want to add a music, just select this music option. So here is a lots of music. It's from Canva free library. Update. If I play you can dance now. So if you want to download, it's just share button, share, click on share button, then click on download. Otherwise you can add also using this others method. It's called like going on element, then here are timer. Here are the lots of pre-made, already made timer. So you can you need to just click on a video. So here the lots of timer available. Example purpose, this one, this is 50 second. You can add any others as well. Just play. Wow, this is good. Now if you want to add a music, just click on music option and you can add on this video. Now just click on share button, then download this and add your preference on your. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Bye.